listening and watching and seeing the many programs and projects these young people have taken on demonstrates and confirms to us the huge reservoir and wealth of talent, expertise, and knowledge in our human capital. It confirms our belief that the single most important resource that we have as a nation is our human capital. And the training, the mentorship, and the availing of opportunity is key to ensuring that this tremendous potential is turned into reality. The second issue, Your Excellency, again, looking at the architecture of this team, the multidisciplinary architecture, the multi-agency approach, bringing people from different fields in our security sector, in the private sector, engineers, and all other disciplines to be able to take on these huge national tasks has demonstrated that with synergy, with the tearing down of silos, no task is too difficult for us to undertake as a country. Finally, Your Excellency, the strategic leadership you have provided, together with the heads of the various agencies, is the catalyst that has actually made and unlocked this tremendous potential that exists in our young men and women. And we must be grateful that under your leadership, these young men and women have gotten the opportunity to be able to showcase and to harness and to display their talents, their skills, and their expertise. Your Excellency, going forward with this kind of approach, it is indeed possible for us to take on the huge challenge that we have of unemployment in our nation by ensuring that we tap into every skill and every talent and every effort that can be tapped so that we can drive our country to prosperity.